MAXHUB Xboard V7 series has you covered. Equipped with a high-performance intelligent camera, it makes your meetings feel incredibly immersive. Featuring an innovative AI-powered TRIDENT lens system with 350-megapixel HD cameras, it offers crystal-clear panoramic and close-up views. The AI system offers various viewing options. Personalized presets. Preset the shooting position for the ideal conferencing scene. Auto framing. Automatically adjusts the panorama based on the number of participants. Speaker tracking. Real-time speaker tracking technology ensures the speaker is always the focal point.
Most important is LED brightness and
multiple speaker tracking. When multiple people are in discussion, the screen splits to highlight each speaker. Intelligent focus. Provides individual close-ups for multiple participants simultaneously. Experience immersive video conferencing with the MAXHUB Xboard V7 series.